In today's video, I'm going to teach you the simplest guide to adding a video to your Blogger post directly. Whether you're showcasing a personal project, sharing a tutorial, or documenting an important event, integrating video content can significantly enrich your blog posts. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Blogger and open the specific blog where you'd like to add your video. Once you're in, head over to the Post section. From here, you can decide whether to create a brand new post or update an existing one, whatever suits your needs best. Now, with your post editor open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. You'll want to locate and click on the Insert Video icon. This step is crucial as it opens up the options you need to get your video into your post. Once you click this icon, you'll see several choices. Look for and select Upload from Computer. If you happen to be working on a mobile device, you can choose to record a video via your device's camera directly from this option. Next, you'll need to pick the video file you want to upload. Keep in mind that while there isn't a strict file size rule, it's generally best to aim for a video under 50 MB. Larger file sizes have a higher chance of failing during the upload process, which can be frustrating. So, if your video is on the larger side, consider compressing it beforehand to avoid any hitches. Once you've selected your video, it's time to sit back and let Blogger do the work. The platform will commence uploading and processing the video, and this might take a few minutes depending on your video's size and your internet speed. The good news is that you don't need to wait idly by. You can continue editing your post while the video finishes uploading. After the upload and processing are complete, your video will automatically pop up right into your post. From here, you have the flexibility to adjust its size or alignment, ensuring that it fits seamlessly with the rest of your content. To make these adjustments, you'll need to switch over to the HTML view where you can manually edit the embed code to perfect the placement and size of your video. Lastly, once your video looks just right, go ahead and click on Publish or Update to finalize your post. And there you have it. Your new enriched post, complete with video, is ready for your audience to enjoy. Hopefully, this guide makes the process of adding a video to your Blogger post clear and straightforward. With practice, you'll be integrating videos into your blog posts with ease, significantly enhancing your content and engaging with your audience more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!